Hi guys, this is Muskan Yadav from Team Pythoneese, hashtag Python Simplified. Last time we learned about iteration, so now let's look at its exercises. We know that while loop is used when there is true and false condition and its real use is explained when used with break and continue. So we'll write here hello, it prints hello. So we'll write hashtag symbol here. So this will continue, and then when we type done, the loop will end. Exercise 1. We set the variable count to 0 before the loop starts. Then we write a for loop to run through the list of numbers. Our iteration variable is named interval, and while we do not use interval in the loop, it does not control the loop and cause the loop body to be executed once for each of the values in the list. So we'll run this. Once the loop completes, the value of count is the total number of items. The total number falls in a lap at the end of the loop. For loop works with every item until it is finished. So we will run this exercise. Happy April Fool's Day comes with every name and the process or the loop ends with done. To find the largest value in a list or sequence, we use the maximum loop. So we will run this exercise and we will get the loops. To get the smallest number in a list, we use minimum loop. There is a very small change. We will run this process and we get the smallest number and the loops.